Welcome to part 2 of our IBC 2018 special. One of the biggest announcements from IBC 2018 was the new Blackmagic RAW codec from Blackmagic Design. Set to make its debut in the Ursa Mini Pro cameras for now, the new 12-bit RAW format offers multiple compression labels of up to 12:1 and drastically reduces file sizes, all while retaining the extensive flexibility of a single RAW file. Blackmagic RAW is supported by DaVinci Resolve 15.1 and can be used on either macOS, Windows or Linux machines. The Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K is also due to receive the new RAW format in a future firmware update. Wood & Camera have announced a cage for the much awaited Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K. Features include a reversible top grip that folds for easier transport, top cheese plates with multiple 1/4" 20 threads for mounting accessories, and a quick release base plate with a Manfrotto style dovetail that interfaces directly with a video tripod head. The Wood & Camera cage is due to ship at the end of September. Atomos have unveiled two new Atom X accessory modules for the upcoming Ninja 5 recorder monitor. The Atom X Ethernet NDI module features a wired Ethernet connector that makes it possible to deliver live broadcast-grade video over IP networks. This module has been developed in partnership with NewTek, whose NDI technology allows for simple installation and control of multi-camera networks, replacing traditional SDI cabling. The Atom X Sync module brings professional wireless timecode, Genlock and Bluetooth control to the Ninja 5. With it, users can control multiple Ninja 5 units equipped with the Atom X Sync modules on the same network at ranges of up to 300 meters. GoPro just announced a new flagship Hero 7 Black and two other budget-orientated models. The new GoPro Hero 7 Black boasts industry-leading built-in image stabilization, and GoPro go as far as claiming that their stabilization technology is so good that you won't even need a gimbal stabilizer. The new GoPro Hero 7 Black also features a redesigned and much more intuitive menu and improved audio. At IBC 2018, Zoom announced their new H3 VR 360-degree audio recorder featuring 4 new microphone capsules which can be utilised to record in ambisonic, stereo binaural or standard stereo modes. The new Zoom recorder supports full sphere surround sound, recording at 24-bit 96 kHz and offers real-time stereo and binaural monitoring. It has been designed not only for VR applications, but also for sound recordists, audio engineers and content creators in music and gaming. That's it for this week. We'll be back next week with more news in 90 seconds.